Hi guys, it's Rebecca. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Today's video is going to be my finale for my friend's project pan. This project doesn't end until September, but I finished 4 out of the 5 items that I had in the project, and it just makes no sense to introduce 4 items and then have nothing finished for the finale. At least to me, that's no fun. If you guys are wondering why I'm sitting on the floor and I have this old, ugly looking comforter behind me, I explained in my previous video that I adopted a new puppy, and so I want to make her as comfortable as possible. She just knocked it over, and so I'm on the floor. I don't know how well potty trained she is, so I have like old comforters and old blankets on the couches, on the beds, just in case she has an accident. And she's licking my feet. She is 12 years old, so she's an old baby. And if you want to know more about her story, you can check out my previous video, which was my Partners in Cream project pen update. So anyway, oh my gosh, we're gonna go back to the dog. She has been pacing for hours since I got her here. She's been just pacing back and forth, walking everywhere. She has not laid down, and you guys, she has done it already. Look at her. She finally laid down. Oh my gosh, my heart is so happy. So I have all 3 of them sleeping. I have Buddy here, I have Toby here, and then I have Brownie here. That right there is a burn. She was rescued from a burn, from a fire. So I'm so happy. This one spoiled, he's always by my side, and then Buddy's over here. So I'm like, as you can tell, I'm on the floor here. But anyway, let's get back to the video. Here goes take 2, because I filmed the rest of this video with the camera off. Like, I was not recording a thing. So let's run through these items again really quickly. For the prompt of Carol, I used up for the prompt of Carol was a product that is from a woman named Brand, or the woman is the CEO is a woman. It had to be a woman, and so for that, Tarte fit the category. This is the Maracuja Miracle Mist. Marlene something is the CEO or co-founder or something like that. But anyway, this is a setting spray. I enjoyed the setting spray fine. I don't think it does anything to prolong the wear of my makeup, but it does settle it fairly nicely. I also enjoyed using this to wet my beauty blender when I was feeling lazy to go wet it the proper way. Then for the prompt of Joey, that was a product that is food themed or food named or something related to food. And I picked this Bite Beauty mini lipstick in the color Kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean food, and that's the plastic rolled up all the way to the top. If I roll it down, obviously there's nothing. But yeah, I didn't have much left to begin with from last update. This was a very hot pink, like very vibrant color, and I got a lot of compliments when I wore this, so really did enjoy it. Then a category that I happened to introduce last month was for Marcel, and for that was an animal themed or named product. I went with a lip gloss from Too Faced, and it's the Pink Swan lip gloss. Not only is the name say Pink Swan, but there's swans all over the packaging, and I actually used it up. As you guys can see, I'm surprised I used this whole lip gloss in a month. But as you guys can see, I took out the stopper, and the wand doesn't reach, and you guys know my rule. If the wand doesn't reach it, then I can call it quits fine. Obviously the rest of the container, the sides, there's a lot of packaging. As you guys can see how thick the plastic is around the product. But yeah, this was just okay, kind of oily. My lips felt a little slippery. Not my favorite. It's not a product that I would go back and try to repurchase. Then from my contour kit from Anastasia, I used up the bronzer in the shade Java. That was for the prompt of Gunther, which was a coffee themed product. And as you guys can see, this is Java in the back. Well, hopefully you guys can tell that says Java. But I had a ton of pan last month, and I used it up completely. I officially have one bronzer left in this palette, and as you guys can see, I already have pan. It would be awesome if I can finish it in like August, September. That way I can have October, November, and December to work on the last bronzer that I have for my products I want to use up in 2023, and it'd be awesome if I can finish it. Super, super awesome. But I don't know. We'll see if that happens. And then the product that I didn't finish that's left over for this finale is for the prompt of Ursula, which was for the prompt of product you have 2 of. If you guys didn't know, Ursula is Phoebe's twin, so that's where the 2 of comes from. And it's just a generic lip balm from the brand Signature Care. This is the Albertson Store brand, I believe. And this is the lip balm that I use every single night before I go to bed. You guys will be seeing a picture so you guys can see how much progress I have made. This is a fine lip gloss. Like I said, it's a pretty generic lip gloss. It does the job. I use it every single night before I go to bed, and it keeps my lips moisturized, so I enjoyed it. I remember because I had 2 of these, I was even using it like in my cuticles during the winter when it was really hot, really cold, and my nails were getting really dry, and I was getting like hang nails and really bad cracking. So it works. It does a good job. So that's all I have for now, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you so much to Amy for inviting me to participate in this collab. And that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.